They call them the flowers of the nation, but a flower is too fragile a word. Have you ever seen a Zulu maiden stand against the horizon? She does not just bloom, she radiates. She is the black diamond pulled from the rich earth of Africa, polished by the wind, shining with the oil of heritage. Look at her skin, it drinks the sunlight and reflects gold. There is a dignity in a posture that you cannot teach in a classroom. It is inherited, passed down from grandmother to mother to daughter. A spine made of steel, wrapped in velvet. She carries her head high, not out of arrogance, but